I just spent last weekend at a global awareness festival. It was a crazy 3 days, man. Devendra Banhart played and he retweeted one of my tweets. My phone was blowing up, and at the same time, I get this message from Chris Thorne of CWF. Today, we will give away a few names that are in the runnings to be candidates for general manager. And I'm going through the list: Corey Motley, Professional Jackson Jarvis, Ernie Todd. And as I go on, underneath Bushwhacker Luke, Zach Atticus was on the bottom. And it got people thinking, Hipstar fans all over the globe, what if a Hipstar was general manager? Well, I can tell you right now, you vote for me, CWF's roster will be gluten-free and green-friendly. And you hire me, CWF's carbon footprint will increase by 75%. That's statistics. Because I'm a hip star and you are not.